Good evening everyone and welcome to the Gwen'n'Potions channel. Today I'm joining you for the third episode of the Christmas collection with the making of small pots of whipped body butter. I love making this type of recipe for my loved one. It's quick to make and little lasts a very long time. This little pot will accompany my loved one all winter to protect their skin from the cold. I've already prepared my ingredients. In my big container, I've put cocoa and shea butters and coconut, sweet almond and hemp oils. This part will go to the bain-marie. When everything will be melted, I will add first cornstarch, poured almond and coconut milks and white clay. I will mix them well, then let it cool before adding the rest of the ingredients. So safflower oil, vitamin E and fragrance oil. After mixing well again, I will divide my preparation in two parts. A small one that I will color in turquoise and a more important one that I will leave uncolored. Be careful by beating your preparation with the mixer. Your colors will lose 3 to 5 shades. I will have to wait for my preparation to harden before transforming it in chantilly. When my two colors will be ready, I will put them in the same bag and pipe them in my small containers. I will tap the pot after each layer to remove air bubbles. At the end, I will sprinkle some turquoise biodegradable glitter. I leave you with the video. This whipped cream will protect your skin while nourishing and softening it. The fatty side of the whipped butters is reduced by cornstarch and powdered almond and cocoa milk, which will also provide protective, softening, and revitalizing benefits. White clay will help with cleanse, repair, and soften the skin. I'm gonna to use the canvas to make them nice labels. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't hesitate to look in the playlist for more ideas for Christmas gifts. On Christmas Day, I will see you again with the making of a lovely wax melt decorated and glittery. Have a great time during the holidays. See you soon. Bye!